Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing tools you will actually use. Install Fabric or Forge, then add World Edit and an Event Mod DAT pack. Once done, create a fresh backup so you can iterate safely without losing progress. Make sure to place command blocks or functions in the World folder now. You will call these to spawn events. You need a clear naming scheme for functions and a test area because you will trigger disasters repeatedly while tuning timing and intensity. You now build the logic that makes disasters feel believable. Write functions that summon lightning, spawn fire, replace blocks with lava or falling sand, and start water flows. Once done, use scoreboards and entity tags to track victims and control frequency so events don't cascade out of control. Make sure to chain functions with tick delays to simulate progression, ignition, spread, and aftermath. Test each piece in a small radius and adjust spawn counts, intervals, and block change rules for balance. You complete the system by running a full-scale rehearsal and observing performance. Server TPS and RAM use will dictate safe limits. Once done, tune spawn radius, damage values, and add cleanup routines that restore terrain or remove debris after X minutes. Make sure to hook player warnings and toggles so participants can opt out. If things go wrong, roll back to the backup, then isolate and run each function individually to find.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.